Hello everyone, welcome to the SketchUp Arc Studio. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create a realistic city render in SketchUp with using ChatGPT. So in this case, this is the 3D model in the background that you can see, the city model, which I downloaded from the 3D warehouse on my SketchUp software. And also I searched for the city and I downloaded the file in here, Echo City by the Gabri ICR, thanks to the builder of this file. So I'm going to close it in here and I have a city render scene in here. I'm going to click on it. I took my exports before and I'm going to show you. This is the image mode and also this is the Enscape render, just as the identifying the masses and proportions. So I'm going to close it in here. I open the Firefox and in the 3D city rendering prompt you can see I add these two images and I wrote that I have a 3D model of a city and I want to give it to you, that you can render it for me in an ultra realistic way you can with holding our original 3D model shapes. Please write a very powerful prompt for me that I can use it for in the best way for rendering. Note, please just write a prompt for me as a text, and this is the prompt. So I'm going to take a copy of it, very simple and easy. Control C, and for this reason I'm going to use Google Gemini for the rendering. So before we start this work, I'm going to click on it, upload file, and I want to use the desktop, and in here I have two city renders. I'm going to search city number 1 and 2 and open it. And I want to use this prompt for my project, very simple and easy. So I set my camera in Enscape for better result, and I want to see how it can make a render for me in the Gemini only with using text. Also I tried to standardize any of these texts. So I'm going to click on the submit to see what will goes on. I hope the result was really wonderful, because I think it can be really wonderful. So in this way, most of the time if you want to generate these type of city renders in the Enscape V-Ray or some other type of plugins for SketchUp, it takes lots of time and you need lots of pressure for yourself. But nowadays with the ChatGPT we have different type of results for this project. Also, this is the result that we have in here, and you can find it out. This is the 3D model image that we have in the SketchUp, and this is the final result that we have in Google Gemini. Also, I can adjust it very simple. For example, I can write that make the weather rainy. And let's see how it will make the weather rainy for us. And you can see this is the render that we have in here. Or I can write more details. For example, make it as a night render and make a sky clear. It will take some time and it will generate it for us. Also, you can download this file below this video, very simple and easy. I saved it for you and you can see what will goes on. You can change the camera positions based on your need, and it depends on how you want to work with it. I prefer to work in this scene because I think it can be more better than the other times, and this is the final shot that we have in here. So you can find it out. We generate 3 images, I think under than 2 minutes in Gemini image generator, and also we use the SketchUp as the 3D model. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time, thanks for your valuable watching, and goodbye.